Hello, and welcome to the EDS Client tutorial number 11. In this tutorial, we will discuss the spatial model. At the end of this tutorial, you will be familiar with the spatial model's operation through the EDS client. The spatial model is located under the File option in the menu bar. The target of the spatial model is to alert for abnormal differences between monitoring stations. For more details about the spatial model, please go to the spatial model tutorials. The spatial model's main screen displays the pairs table. You can filter the table using the 5 filters below. Click on the Draw button to update the table. You can also check the Update every 5 minutes checkbox automatically update the screen every 5 minutes. The Chart button will take you to the pairs chart. It is important to pay attention to the selected pair in the table before you click this button. The chart screen will be further discussed in an individual tutorial. The Save button will export the model configuration to a CSV file. If you are experiencing any problem in the spatial model, attach this file to an email and send it to decision makers. The balloons icon will display the items from the client's map on the main screen. To display only one item, double-click the item from the table. The second tab is the Triplets tab. The Triplets table is also filtered using the filters below. Standing on the Triplets tab will also affect the Charts button by leading you to the Triplets Charts screen. The next tab is the Panels tab. Selecting a panel from the list will display its details in the box on the right. The Check All and Uncheck All buttons will display all or none of the screen's objects, respectively. The last tab is the Alarms and Reports tab. This tab contains 3 radio options. The first option is the Current Alarms. It will display the open alarms of the spatial model. The alarms can be filtered using the checkboxes above and the filters below. The next radio option displays Historical Alarms. This means the alarms displayed in this option are already closed. To display alarms in this option, check the From and To dates and select a period using the Dates controls. Use the Drawers button to refresh the screen. The next option is the Reports option. This option will be elaborately discussed in the next video. Thank you. We hope this tutorial was helpful and clear. For more details, please go to our website.